What's up, YouTube? We got some more boxes. This one is, it's another Kawaii Box.
Yep. There's glitter all over the tape.
I wonder if it exploded inside.
Alright. Kawaii Box thanks you. Spring. Some pretty tissue paper and a cat. He's cute. Little calico. And a paw. I guess just a keychain. And glitter. Lots and lots of glitter.
Put it all on Dobby.
That is a lot of glitter. A cute, adorable bow that I will totally wear. And
like that.
What are these called?
Macaron. Macaron.
A macaron, but it's, I think it might be something. Oh, it's a container. I'm not sure what it holds or could hold, but it's kind of awesome. We got some more of these green, weird, I don't know what they are, biscuit things. A unicorn pin, or a horse, I guess. And it's pretty cute. And then a little alpaca pin bag, and it's a little bear notebook, Rilakuma, and some really cool foam stickers with rabbits and cats on it. Those are cute. And then jewelry seal cell phone stickers. So decorate your cell phone, basically, with these little dots. That's pretty cool. And Kawaii Box. Share your Kawaii Box and win a Kawaii Mega Box worth over $100. Simply tag your post. Hashtag. So they have a Mega Box, I guess, that they give away. And then your their shop is the Blippo. They like to use that one. They have some pretty cool stuff on there at blippo.com. So, yep, that's our stuff.
Yep. On to the next box.
Yeah.